Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, the Public Services Librarian here in the library at Union University. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to search the library's catalog. The catalog is where you can find resources in the library. It is maintained daily in order to help you have the best access to resources. If you are searching for articles, it is probably best to search in a database as featured in the Searching Databases tutorial. However, if you are searching for ebooks, books, and media, the catalog is best to use. You can get to the catalog from the BSOL Research Guide. Once you are on the BSOL Research Guide, click the Books tab. Here, you are given a simple search bar. Enter your search term here. For this tutorial, let's search for resources and business leadership. Type in business leadership now. Now hit search. Once you've typed in your search term, the list of results are then displayed to you. The total number of results is at the top of the page. Each result has a little icon under the title that indicates what format that resource is. A book icon with an orange E indicates an ebook. A regular print book icon indicates a print book. And a CD indicates an audiobook or a DVD. You can limit your results by choosing one or multiple limiters on the left side of the page. If you just want to see books, click on the box next to books under the Format section. Only books or whatever format you choose will be shown to you. There are more limiters available for you to use to refine your results. You can limit the results by choosing the year you want, or you can choose a specific language of the materials you need or want. When looking for books to use for research, there are a few things you can do that will help you determine if that book will be helpful. First, click on the title of the resource. A side box will appear on the right and you will be given that book's location, availability, and call number, which you will need to locate the book. Under the section labeled Description, you will see the bibliographic information on that book. Check to see if a list of contents is available. This section allows you to see the table of contents of that book, which you can use to see what chapters the book contains. Scroll down a bit to see if a summary of the book is available. The summary will be short and it will be a paragraph that summarizes what the book is about. These two sections can be very helpful when deciding whether or not to check out this resource. The list of results from your search are still visible on the left, making it easy for you to search through the results. Click the X on the right-hand corner of a singular title to maximize the list of results. To use an ebook, click on the title of an ebook from your list of results. Some records for ebooks will also have a summary and a list of contents, so check out those sections first. If you want to read the ebook, click on the View eBook link under the title. On the next page, click on the PDF full text link on the left side of the page, and your ebook will be shown. You can scroll through the book, or you can click on each chapter from the left side of the page. The library's catalog lets you see what the library has available for your academic needs. With it, you'll be able to find valuable resources and information. If you need help finding resources from our catalog, please contact one of the librarians for help. Thank you for watching this tutorial.